How to add to inspiration on edits in Instagram app. Want to save some posts for later inspirations? Here's how you can post to your inspiration collection in edits in Instagram app. While scrolling through the app, you'll see the heart icon below each post. Tap on it to like the post. To save the post for later, tap on the bookmark icon right next to the heart. This will add the post to your inspiration collection. You can find all your saved posts by going to your profile and tapping on the saved section. If you find posts that inspire you, consider organizing them into different collections for easy reference. Need help organizing your inspiration? Let me know in the comments below. And now you can keep all your favorite posts in one place. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.